Hey
Hello,
everyone,
welcome to another Dynamic Do-It-Yourself
Today on
videos.
Tankmanjoe 2, we'll be taste testing gingerbread peeps. Now, these things we found at the store. They look quite good, you know. Comment down below if you'd like to try these. This one in the corner looks like a goldfish. Alright, let's get to what we're actually tasting on Tankmanjoe 2 today. We'll be tasting 12 lemon bars, all 12 of them.
No, we're not.
And we'll be trying 12 cranberry bars after they're dipped in a bottle of water.
Oh my gosh, no.
Let's try this.
No. Okay, look. Hello,
What?
everyone. It's the
No,
Dynamic
my plans. I had great plans.
All right. We are going to try something that came from Trader Joe's. I spy a new dessert in the frozen food section. And this is cranberry orange bars. This is something that's in the frozen food section. And they also have lemon bars. Now, we're going to taste these. They need to be thawed before you taste them. And it says here, as a festive nod to a classic lemon bar, these eye-catching bars have a tangy cranberry curd and sweetened orange peel filling, layered on all butter shortbread crust. All you need to do is defrost them and arrange on a pretty plate just like you bake them yourself. No one will be the wiser. As we are in the middle of the holiday season, you may find yourself being invited to functions where people want you to bring something, and if you are a person who's not a baker, this will probably be a saving grace for you. You can get this, defrost it, put it on the plate, walk in. It looks like, if you could take a look here, it looks like you're like little pies, you know. So you have the shortbread cookie here, and then on top of it you have whatever the filling is. So let's start with the cranberry orange bars.
Before we start with any of them, I'm going to tell you which one is the better one, right? This one.
How can you tell which one
I can tell
is
you
the
based
best?
off the ingredients.
Yelling does not make your point any more
I
valid.
can tell you based off the ingredients. This has 2% vitamin D, 0% calcium, 2% iron, and 0% potassium. That's good. It contains some of those ingredients, but not a lot. Now this one is better because it has 2% vitamin D, 2% calcium, 2% iron, and 0% potassium.
I'm sure there's a whole bunch of people who are sitting in front of their computer screens and they were eagerly awaiting this information.
They were, because those are very important.
Okay, so as you can see, I have taken this out and you can see that it's sealed up nicely. So you open it up. Do we have scissors around here? Oh no, don't need scissors. And you have fingernails. So let's dig in.
As long as your fingernails don't dig into the food itself.
Oh, that'll make it extra tasty.
No, that wouldn't.
Right?
No.
Nothing like a little bit of.
No.
All right. No.
Oh.
All right. So here it is.
Looks quite good.
Look at that.
It's too bad it doesn't have any calcium, but
I'm sure it's
does.
like. But as you can tell, let's get a napkin here and hold one up so the audience can take a look. All right, you see there's the little crust at the bottom, and there you have the cranberry, what do they call it? Curd, cranberry curd.
Oh.
Okay, would you like one, dear?
Yes.
All right.
Take this one.
All right. Did we thaw these? Nope, we took it straight out of the freezer.
Hopefully they're still good.
So let's hope that we're not breaking our teeth. Let me tell you.
Wait.
Okay.
Let me do something.
Say something.
These things are trash. Taste like garbage. I rate them a 0.
Wait a minute.
I can't even finish this. Nah. Video over. Tankmanjoe 2.
What the heck?
We don't like these.
Okay, well, for the Dynamic DIY Diva, as I bite into this, it has a wonderful buttery crust, shortbread,
Ow.
delightful. And the cranberry
The crust is a rock.
crust is delightful.
Is it?
And even coming straight out of the freezer, it holds up very well, but it's not like I'm biting into ice. It's nice, it's formed. And I could tell like once it thaws out, I'm sorry, I'm looking off camera because I have a crew here and they're just laughing at Tankman. So let's bring the focus back to me.
Nope. Nope.
Anyway.
Now I gotta tell you why I rate these so low. I'll actually rate these a 2.
Why?
Now, cranberry stuff on the top is fine, but the crust ruins the whole thing. It has this terrible bitter taste that bleeds into your taste buds. It makes you want to rip out your tongue. I would not recommend eating the crust. If you scrape the crust off, maybe it might be good, but if you have the crust, I wouldn't. I don't know. Just the stuff itself is good, so I rate these a 2.
Okay, well, I like the shortbread crust. I thought it was nice.
Wait, really?
Yes.
How?
Because it tastes good.
You like bitter things?
It's not bitter.
Oh, yes, that is.
The crust is not bitter.
It tastes old.
Okay, anyway.
Possibly
I
moldy.
think this is real. What? Okay, anyway, to let you know, I find these to be delightful, but I will give this a 2. Not because of taste. I will give it a 2 because I could make this. Truthfully, I could make this.
With better crust?
My crust is pretty banging, so yeah, I can do that. But well, like I said, I will give this a 2. Now, if I was invited to anybody's little get together and they said, "Oh, can you bring something?" and I happen to be in Trader Joe's and I see this and I'm like, "Okay, this is great," I will get it. All right.
If you want to torture them.
So on that, it's on contingent on being invited out, and I don't have the time to make it myself. But for my own personal consumption, I will give this a 2. Okay. Are you great with that? Are you fine with that?
Yeah, that's fine.
All right, we already tried the cranberry orange, and I want to say it does taste like cranberry orange. It was a really good balance of flavor.
I didn't taste the orange. I thought it was meant to be cranberry.
Well, if it was straight cranberry, there would be no sweetness to it. It would be just very tart. So you had to cut it with orange, which gives it a little something extra. All right.
Well, now we're going to taste pure lemon.
Lemon bars. Now, I love lemon bars. I love lemon meringue pie. I love all things lemon.
And hopefully these will be better than
wow.
the previous ones. They look
Look
good.
at this. They already are powdered, pre-powdered with powdered sugar. I don't know how they managed to do that and have it where the sugar didn't melt.
And how they still have calcium
Ooh.
in it. That means these must be good.
Have you been watching a lot of these TikTok videos where everybody's talking about how delightfully delicious
2% calcium in a lemon bar is?
their
Yes,
stuff
I have.
is and how it has 0 calories or how they're
TikTok.
super healthy or whatever.
TikTok. Ah.
Oh gosh. Okay, here it is. Oh my gosh, lemon bars. I love lemon bars so much.
These lemon bars have some bars.
Okay, so you take a look at that. See, once again, same the crust. Looks awkward here, but nice crust and lemon.
Hopefully this crust tastes better than that previous crust.
Have one, Tink.
All right.
Whew, I'm getting a little warm in here, but oh my gosh. I want to go first before you start taking us down the dark road. This is delightful. The lemon, perfect. The consistency, perfect. Now granted, we just pulled this right out of the freezer. We didn't thaw it. It does say on the box that you need to thaw this first. But look how pretty that is. You can put this on a plate And all you did was just walk to the store and just, well, not walk, or however you got to the store, it doesn't matter. But you went to the store, you picked this up and put it on a plate. This is delightful. Arrange it, throw some little edible flowers around it, and just, I'm thinking springtime gatherings. Okay, what do you say?
Well,
Tank has something on his mind.
I'm going to tell you the facts about these.
That's just delightful, and I give it a 4.
No.
4.
No. These lemon bars aren't spitting bars. I'm spitting these in the trash. Now let me tell you why. The lemon on the top, it tastes fine. It's lemon. It tastes like they just put lemon juice on it. No. Besides that, lemon, right? It tastes like the lemon stuff on top. It tastes fine, all right? It tastes like what you expect from a lemon bar. Across on the bottom, that's hard and unedible garbage.
Really? Are you serious?
Yeah. No. The stuff in the cranberry bars tastes like premium bread compared to this.
Really?
That stuff had literally no taste. That at least had a bitter taste to it. This had nothing.
Really?
This was literally untasteable.
I might have to find somebody else to do these videos with.
Oh,
your taste buds are off. Are you okay?
Yo, my taste buds are fine.
I gotta go through the protocols. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
Have you been feeling tired?
At nighttime, when I'm supposed to be tired, of course.
You sure about that?
Oh, I'm sure about that.
Can you smell?
And I'm tired of these garbage lemon bars. Alright, so actually what I actually think about them, the crust on the bottom of the lemon bar. It tastes good, right? It's hard and it actually has a little bit of a taste better than the lemon bars. So I would say that these are acceptable. They're not the best. The bread on the crust on the bottom of it could be better. Bread, crust, they're the same thing. Literally, right? So it could be better, but I'd give it a 3. I'd get them again.
You will get them again?
I would.
Yes. And
also slightly decisive. I look at these and look at some gummies on the shelf and be like, I'll pick those up instead if they're rated a 4.
The gummies?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I do make a really great lemon bar. I really do. And I can make these easily. But, I still give this a 4. Because I will buy this for my own personal consumption. Even though I can make these are good. So I'm going to let it be.
I might get a second.
Oh, and here's something just before we wrap this up. It's not called bread. It's called a thin, buttery crust.
Oh, no, ew. Now that's false advertisement.
And it says here, once you open it, you got to eat it in 5 days. Okay, once thawed, keep refrigerated and consume within 5 days. So just to let you know, these will be consumed with or without you. I could see this with a cup of coffee. If you're a coffee drinker, if you're a tea drinker, you will enjoy it. And my staff off camera, they don't believe me, so I'm going to have to get them to try this. So can we wrap this up so I can give the staff?
No, we can't. Right? We can't wrap this up.
Oh,
yet.
Okay.
I gotta tell you how this is some false advertisement.
Oh my gosh, we only have so much time.
We have enough time. A thin, buttery crust. If you're trying to tell me that this is thin and buttery, you use the wrong words.
Are you sure you're okay? You have a...
I'm sure I'm okay. I would say hard and unedible.
Anyway, on that note, I hope everyone is being safe out there. I hope you're enjoying yourself during this holiday season. Be safe, be careful. We're hearing there's so many things going on out there. The streets are... Just be safe out there, okay?
And just to be extra safe, don't pick up gum. Don't pick up peeps that look like this. If your gingerbread man looks like this, run.
Okay,
that's the only help I can give you. All right, until next time.